Okay, so ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-add or subtract ng fraction. So yung mga fraction dito, mayroon tayong gagamitin na method para mapadali yung pag-solve nyo. Yung method na ito ay butterfly method. Okay, so ano yung butterfly method? I-multiply ito, yung 2 sa 4, then 5 sa 3, then get the LCD, that is 5 times 4. Yung product niya dito, that is our LCD. Okay, so guhit muna dito ng bar. Cross multiply 2 by 4. 2 times 4, 8. Next is 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is
15!
ano yung operation dito?
Addition!
Operation dito, just copy. Then get the LCD. What is LCD? You're going to multiply 5 times 4.
20!
20. So, it looks like butterfly. Kaya tinawag siyang butterfly
Method!
Okay. So, after, simplify. 8 plus 15,
23!
23. Then, we have copy
The
20. Mayroon bang makaka-divide na isang number, both 23 and 20?
No!
Wala ba? So kapag wala, ito na yung kanyang sagot. Okay, number 2. So ano yung una muna nating i-multiply?
5
times
7!
Okay, so this one, multiply. What is 5 times 7?
35!
5. What is the operation?
Subtraction!
Fraction, copy. So next is 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2?
6!
6. Get the LCD. We have 7 times 3 or 3 times 7 is
21!
1. Pagkatapos, subtract. Copy bar. 35 minus 6,
29!
9. Copy.
21!
Is there a number, exact number that can divide 29 and 21 to get the lowest term? Mayroon ba?
No!
Wala. So kapag nawala, this is now the
Final answer!
Okay. So sa number 3, ito na ngayon yung task nyo. So sagutan yung 6 over 7 plus 3 over 5. Isulat yung sagot doon sa comment
Section!
Okay, do it now.